Finding award flights isn't hard. Finding the right award flight before everyone else does, that's the challenge. Today, I'll show you how FlightPoints works, what's available for free users, what changes when you upgrade to Pro, and how the entire FlightPoints ecosystem helps you find, monitor, and book award travel more efficiently. Let's start as a free user. The free version allows you to search award availability and discover opportunities across multiple airline loyalty programs. As the results appear, you'll notice something important. Every result includes a last seen timestamp. Some may say 6 hours ago, some may say 12 hours ago, some may even say 1 day ago. That's because free users are viewing cached availability data. The information is useful for research and trip planning, but it may not represent what's available right this second. You'll also notice that several advanced filters are locked. And this is where the Pro experience begins. This is the moment most FlightPoints users subscribe for: live availability. The moment Pro is activated, FlightPoints switches from cached data to live data. Instead of seeing what was available hours ago, you're now seeing what's available right now. For award travelers, that difference can be everything. Seats appear, seats disappear, and premium award availability can be gone within minutes. At the same time, all advanced filters become available. Now you can narrow results exactly the way you want. Business class only, direct flights only, multiple seats together, specific airlines, and much more. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of possibilities, FlightPoints helps you focus on the flights that actually matter. And here's one of the most useful features. You can create an alert directly from an individual flight. If availability changes, more seats open up, or a flight becomes bookable, FlightPoints can monitor it automatically. Instead of checking the same route every day, FlightPoints watches it for you. Award availability changes constantly. Seats appear, seats disappear, and the best opportunities rarely stay available for long. You can create highly customized alerts based on exactly what you're looking for. When matching availability appears, FlightPoints immediately notifies you. Everything we've seen so far is available on the web, but the mobile app adds one major advantage: instant push notifications. When award availability appears, timing matters. You may not be sitting in front of your computer. With the mobile app, FlightPoints can send availability alerts directly to your phone. So instead of discovering an opportunity hours later, you can act immediately. Create an alert once. FlightPoints keeps watching in the background. When matching availability appears, you'll know right away. Use the website when you're planning. Use the mobile app when you don't want to miss an opportunity. FlightPoints also includes Explore. This helps you discover opportunities across airline loyalty programs. You can browse dozens of mileage programs and quickly uncover redemption opportunities you may never have searched for directly. The Routes section helps you visualize route networks supported by different loyalty programs. It's a great way to discover destinations and opportunities you may not have considered before. FlightPoints isn't just a search platform. It's a complete award travel toolkit. Browser extensions help bring award travel information directly into your workflow. MCP integrations connect FlightPoints with AI assistants like ChatGPT and Claude. There are also tools like Telegram integrations and many other utilities designed for different travel workflows. With a growing ecosystem of tools, FlightPoints helps you stay connected wherever and however you prefer to search. People don't upgrade because of more buttons, they upgrade because of better information, live availability, advanced filtering, real-time alerts, mobile push notifications, and tools that help them find opportunities before they're gone. FlightPoints brings award searching, live availability, alerts, discovery tools, browser integrations, AI integrations, and mobile notifications into a single platform. Whether you're planning your next redemption or constantly hunting for award availability, FlightPoints gives you the tools to travel smarter. Thanks for watching. See you on your next award flight.